Good morning, everyone. How is everybody doing out there? And I always say good morning because it's morning here. So wherever you're at, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Hope you're doing well over there. Hope you are doing well. Check over my shoulder here. I think it's gonna rain. What do you guys think? They really weren't calling for rain today, but you never know. I'm here in Dapa. All right. Just roaming around, looks up at the bank, but check out this Dapa gymnasium. It's like Filipinos love their basketball, right? You could be in a very rundown, not so nice barangay city or whatever, but they will always have nice basketball courts. Check this out. This is just nice. Hello. I mean, check it out. Stadium seating. Well, seating, I don't know if you call it stadium, wooden floors, glass backboards, lights inside. Boy, isn't this nice? See? I don't know what that is for. I'm just looking. But even a stage up there so they can do different things here. Performances, whatever. It looks like they're up on the stage right now practicing a group. But, wow. I don't know if they're high school kids or just groups, you know what I mean? Let me get out of here. If they're just groups or whatever. Are these high school kids? High school?
No.
Just
Employee.
So they're groups of people that work somewhere.
Yeah.
So they're like their own team.
Agency.
Yeah. This is a beautiful gym. Very nice. Thank you. But yeah, different teams from different organizations, different groups, different places, you know what I mean? Anyways, I'm just gonna walk around here. I'm checking this out here. Never really walked around here. Even that looks like a new building right there. But supposedly this area down here is where a lot of people come and hang out. So, not now, in the evening I was told. So let's check it out. Check this out. This is really nice for the public, for the community of Dapa and whoever. Yes, I am going to inside, but they get 30 pesos per entrance, per child, for 1 hour. Group discount. If I bring 20 kids here, do I get a discount?
No.
No, still 30 pesos.
But we are open here for booking.
Booking. Oh, so you can book it.
You want you have a birthday party with your kids.
Okay.
You can
Book it.
60 for 3 hours.
Okay. Cool.
You have 30 minutes preparation. We'll give you 30 minutes for preparation.
All right. Good to know. Thank you.
With function hall inside.
Oh, a function hall inside. They told me I could come in here. I told them I wasn't gonna play on anything. I told them I'm a little bit too old, but they said yes, you could come in here and I can show you around. But isn't this nice, huh? Another public community area for the local people to come with their kids and hang out. Like I said, I don't see any lights up top, but this is nice. Rubber mats are pretty neat, huh? She said there's a function hall here too, but this just looks like fun. If I was a little kid, well, I guess I am a kid at heart, but not physically. I would love this. This is just neat. All right, guys, I always say check this out, but yes, check this out. I didn't know this existed. We've been here 4 months. They call it, like I said, I think they call this area the Boulevard. At night, I think people come down here and hang out. There's lights up in there, but check it out. Right here by the ocean, they got steps that go down into the water. All right, water's clear. Clear, very clear, multiple steps. So you can come down here and you can play, you can swim, you can come down here with your family and hang out. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think the sun sets that way. I think. I'm almost 90% sure it sets that way. But isn't this nice? It's just the people's public area to hang out. Clean. Once again, shows the quality of the people that want to take care of their area by keeping it clean. I had never seen this here until now. I love Dapa. Yeah, never seen it until now. There are restaurants to the right. I'm going to walk over there. But yeah, port is straight ahead. The port you take to, go wherever you want. Very nice. Like I said, I think there's more action down here in the evening. I'm going to have to take a stroll down here in the evening and check it out. Barking puppies. Well, once again, just look. I mean, yeah, you'll have somebody that will throw something. But just look at how clean it is. This is a nice restaurant right here. Really nice. Downstairs, upstairs. Hello. I'm going to go check out their menu. Hello. Good morning. What's this? Gusla.
Yes.
Gusla. What
Means hungry.
That means hungry?
Yes.
I thought gutum. I thought that was hungry. But this is gusla.
Bisaya word.
Oh, Bisaya word. All right, cool. Cebuana. Okay. This is nice. It's a nice restaurant here. Are you guys open now for food?
Yes, sir.
All right. Maybe I'll have to get my asawa and come eat here. It looks nice. Very nice. I have to look at your menu. Can I go upstairs and look?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, let me roll upstairs and look. Gotta ask, right? Never be afraid to ask. Never be afraid to ask. Kitty cat, kitty cat. Yep, here's a restaurant up here. Wow, more seating up here. I'm checking out their menu here, right? They got baked scallops for $350. So, baked scallops you have. They're not out of stock. Not out of stock. You have baked scallop. Okay, just checking. But their menu's decent. I mean, it's great prices, decent prices. Shrimp bites. You guys see it?
Want to order, sir?
No, not now.
Okay.
Let's see, baked scallop, seafood and starters. Good. Even breakfast, chicken, pork. Yeah, I'm definitely. Maybe I'll come back to eat lunch.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I gotta find what's binging me. Hello. She's binging me right now. Yeah, the place looked good. Decent prices. Spoke to a woman there. She was from France. She comes here for a few months. Hello. Goes back to France for a few months. Comes back here for a few months. Here's another restaurant here. Another nice looking restaurant here. Tagpuan. Nice, huh? Smells good. Smell like a barbecue cooking. Yeah. Oh, there's the barbecue. I think they have an upstairs. All right. Let's see what else we got down here. Another restaurante. Ooh, cakes. Ooh, cakes. Looks nice in there, huh? Look at them cakes. Wow. Hello. What kind of cake?
150.
What kind? What flavor?
Cassava.
Cassava. Lychee pan, right? Lychee pan.
Yema cake.
Yama cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is custard and
Custard.
yeah, this one is cassava.
Cassava. Okay. They look good. And this is lychee pan, right? Lychee pan, yeah. Very nice.
Leche plan 75.
Lychee pan 75. Okay. All right. I'm just looking. The challenges of living on an island, a small island here in the Philippines. You know, I get my medication for my diabetes, Mercury drugstore. That's the biggest one here, right? But then you get the Mercury, and I told them, ask them politely, nicely, multiple times, can you please make sure my medication is available? Order it in, I will get it every month. Please, please, please. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The old yes, sir, right? So, last month they didn't have one. Then I found this little pharmacy over here, the Javier grocery store. There's a little pharmacy in there. and they had my medication in stock, right? Now it's a month later, I'm needing to up my medication again, and sir, we have one, but the other one's out of stock. All right, well, I have enough medication for a week, I said to him. Can you get it in within a week? No, sorry, sir. These are the challenges you will deal with when you go to these islands. Small island to live. Just one of many things you've got to overcome. All right, guys, here's another thing I wanted to share with you guys. Been here going, almost 4 months now, right? Give or take, something like that. Finally, after 4 months, I finally have my PNB National Bank, Philippine National Bank. I finally got all that settled. There was a mistake made. I'm not going to say it was them. It could have been me. There was a mistake made with my email. Then there was a mistake made with my telephone number. And I was trying to bank online and get online and check balances and all that. You're still very, very limited on what you can do online with PNB Bank. Unlike BPI. BPI, if you're watching my video, the president of BPI, please come down here to Siargao Island and open up a BPI bank. Guarantee you're going to do well. Finally, 4 months, and that's finally completed. All right, guys, so I came here with Lut to Gusla. Said I was going to get Lut, and that's where we're tongue-tied, right? Gusla, which means hungry. Another word is basug. No, gatum. Gatum. Anyway, check out this meal. This is our lunch for today. That is a pork, right? With pork with, I think that's garlic. Chopped garlics on it. A dipping sauce. Some potato chips. And look, got the old canila fish.
With coconut juice.
With coconut juice. So, but this is our view. Isn't this, why do I always whisper? Isn't this just nice? Nice view for lunch. You can't top that, can you? Well, yeah, you probably could. But to me, this is just a beautiful spot to just sit, enjoy lunch, and enjoy the Philippines. Halo halo. Where did halo halo come from? From Philippines?
Maybe, yeah.
Oh. Check this halo halo out, guys. I don't know how well you can see it with the light. Let me kind of get you a better shot of halo halo. All right, there it is. This is a halo halo special. 4 scoops of ubi ice cream, right? I think she told me 6 different types of fruit in there. What else is in there, Lut? It's like cornflakes. Cornflakes and
That's
corn is at the bottom. Beans, banana, watermelon, mango. There's, like I said, 6 different ones in there. Don't ask me why they put corn in there or why they put beans in there.
Don't ask me why. This is just because too many.
Yeah, or cornflakes on there. I couldn't tell you why. But Lut and I were sitting here. First of all, the table next to us when we sat down, they had one, and I'm like, boy, that looks good. Not Jollibee. Chowking. They do an amazing halo halo. Guys, if you ever come to the Philippines, try a halo halo. They are amazing. I love them. But yeah, Manginasal also. If you know where halo halo come from, leave a comment below. Lut thinks it comes from.
No, it came from Philippines.
You think it originated in China because Chowking. I don't know. Maybe somebody let me know. Put it down below. But we're ready to dig into this. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up, and I got to talk quick and fast and loud because of the music. Once again, guys, thank you so much for those that are loyal subscribers and followers of my channel. Watch every video. Leave comments down below. Greatly appreciate it. But anyways, guys, it's just my life. I'm sharing my life with you guys. So from Dapa here by the ocean, we shall talk to you later.